Welcome to JH. CryptoCosmic is here, promising cosmic success, which is usually marketing speak for taking your money to the moon while you stay stuck on the launch pad. But is it a legitimate platform or just another crypto scam wrapped in a shiny name? Let's break it down before your wallet does. CryptoCosmic markets itself as a gamified trading simulator where beginners can practice strategies without risking real cash. Because apparently, losing fake money is the high-octane thrill we've all been waiting for. However, there's a massive catch. Reviews point to a total lack of transparency, zero regulation, and utility that's about as useful as a solar-powered flashlight. Some users even warn that it tricks people into thinking they're actually investing, which is a great way to learn that simulated profits don't exactly pay the rent. On the bright side, if you treat it purely as a digital sandbox, it's a decent way to learn trading risk-free. The gamified features might actually make the soul-crushing reality of market volatility feel like a fun afternoon at the arcade. Ultimately, CryptoCosmic is just a simulator, not a serious crypto project. Use it for practice, but don't treat it like a genuine investment unless you enjoy donating your hard-earned cash to the void. That's the breakdown on this cosmic experiment. So, would you actually use this as a learning tool? Or do you prefer making your mistakes the old-fashioned, expensive way?